Good evening, ladies and germs. Hi, Ancient Hi12 here again. Alright, so tonight we're going to talk about the company I work for, or the car dealership. Here's our website, SalonsUsedCars.com. We're not advertising them at all. That's fine. If you want to go there, the address is right up there. I'll link it in the video description. If you're in Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, you're in Missouri, we got some good cars. That's neither here nor there. The point is, I shoot all this stuff on cheap end equipment. And I've done videos on that previously, saying how I've done stuff on my website. But the other night, what did I do? Oh yeah, I learned how to do one of these gizmos here, and you're gonna see it, and it's gonna go boom. Yeah, okay, wondrous. Kind of neat, right? All done on an N3150 processor. That's wonderful. That is considerably more powerful than what I use at work. So, of course, lately I've been watching all these open shot tutorials on Geek Outdoors. He's got tons of them. And I learned how to do various other things. Actually, I learned how to do Blender there, and then some of the video overlays and things like that. So, the other night, I decided I was going to create a startup logo for our website. This is all done in Blender, what you're seeing here. And I'm going to scroll it back a little. And yeah, I apologize for using the same thunderclap, but there you go.
Alright folks, it's a little windy today.
Alright, so I'm gonna put a link to that actual video if you're interested in the truck, by the way, just so you can see it and see all of what we do with high-end cheap tech. But that's going to be coming up at the very end, the last 20 seconds of the video. It'll be up in the upper right hand corner. You can click on it and watch it. The point is, I did the video at work today. Guess what? I didn't have that little startup logo, which I'll play in its full entirety here in about, I don't know, a few seconds. We'll throw it in at whatever point, and I'll let you watch it. And I thought, well, that'd be cool. We gotta slap that on every video we make from now on. Just, brand identification. And then I'm thinking, man, I can't re-render this on the Hi12 at work. So I did the video, put it up. But I saved the video, of course. And then I remembered. Because I already saved it, there's no rendering. Once you've done it, it's part of a project or whatever. I already saved it as a video. All you gotta do is copy and paste it, or in this case I just emailed it to myself, fired up the Hi12 tonight, tacked it onto the video, re-uploaded it, set the previous version of the video. It's still there in case somebody has it linked. It's just unlisted now. And then reposted the video with the new intro, which I think is not fantastic. I wish I'd have gone with like silver text or bright white. But remember, when you're playing and it takes like 3 hours to render, even, well, it wasn't quite that long in the end, 3150. Obviously, it would have never rendered on the Hi12 or the Hi12. But in truth, all I had to do once I had a copy of it, I just emailed it to myself, opened up the Hi12, and reprocessed the video one more time, tacked it on at the front. So, every time I think I can't do something, I found out I can. On an Intel Atom Z8350. So, yeah, you're not going to render anything on a 4 gig RAM Intel Atom, unless you're willing to wait for 14 years for it to render, and probably then it's still going to lock up. Especially the Hi12 has all sorts of memory glitches. You can't let it fall asleep. Kinda gotta keep it awake, or at least not let it fall asleep using a lot of RAM, otherwise it'll just go and that'll be that. It'll actually make that noise. Okay, I'm kidding about that. But the point is here, all the stuff I learned on this site, as I mentioned in my previous video, so you can go look at that right before this one. I'll link it. That is not the whole point of this. The whole point of this is there are workarounds for everything. And then I use the program, by the way, because I have limited bandwidth at home because, well, no one's donated here yet. But if you look up this website, handbrake.org, I hope I'm doing that right. No, it's not. It's .fr. I'm sorry. It will also be linked, by the way. Boom, there it is. This thing took 140 meg video file and crushed it to 75 meg. Crushed it. It sometimes does better. Usually stuff I render on the Hi12 or process in OpenShot for some reason doesn't end up oversized by a huge degree like it does on the N3150 Zotac here. Don't know why, but that's neither here nor there. I just thought I'd point all this stuff out, and as I said, hopefully somewhere in here I've done a cutaway and shown you the video. Well, probably not. You know what? I decided not to do that. It's just going to be at the top. At the top, you're going to see a link, upper right hand corner, during the last 20 seconds. At the bottom, it will say, please link and subscribe. Up at the top, you'll see the link to the actual video installing used cars. You don't have to watch the whole thing. Just click on it, open it, and watch it. And you'll see the cool Blender intro. That's all. I really don't have anything else. Just wanted to point that out. So, I'm really not that limited by having the Hi12, although I still am going to keep telling the boss I really could use an N3450 Chewy Lapbook Air or Jumper ebook free. Any of those would be cool. Probably not going to happen because the guys I work with are about as technically oriented as, I don't know, your average brick. No offense to them, not their job to be technically oriented. They're car people. That's my job. Alright, gotta go. Bye.